When I turn off the engine in my Kia Sportage, I hear this clicking or knocking noise right after the engine shuts down. So what is this sound and is this normal? I took my Sportage to a Kia dealership and they pinpointed the source of the noise, the throttle body. They said that this is completely normal and there is nothing to worry about. This happens with many other Kia cars as well. I checked online forums and found that it is indeed a common issue. But here's the thing, when I bought this car brand new, there was no such clicking noise after engine shutdown. This sound only started coming after I drove the car for about 3000 kilometers. If this is a normal sound, it should have been there from day one. So what I'm going to do is clean my throttle body and see if this resolves the issue. I've already made a video on how to clean the throttle body. Check out the link in the video description if you want to watch that video. So I cleaned the throttle body as best as I could. Now it's time to check if this resolves the clicking noise issue. Time to start the engine. And the clicking noise is still there. I don't know if this noise is normal or not, but I will have to live with it. If you are a Kia Sportage owner, let us know in the comments below if you hear this noise after turning off the engine.